may be wondering, what exactly does a good lighting design provide? Well, in order for a person to be able to move around in the building interior and perform tasks safely and efficiently, the task and the total environment should be illuminated adequately and to acceptable levels. For the promotion of productivity, the lighting installation should enable all workers and operators to see their work and their tools in the required detail. This ensures that tasks are carried out at the greatest possible speed and accuracy. The lighting installation should create safe and sociable working conditions and be designed to suit the visual sharpness of the individual work. In conjunction with the structure and the decoration of the building, the lighting installation should provide a pleasing environment that will stimulate interest and be favorable to a sense of well-being. Lastly, the lighting installation should be economically installed, reasonably easy to maintain, and inexpensive to run. In practice, the above objectives can be achieved in the following ways. Number 1, the luminance and color patterns within both the work area and the general surroundings should be well planned and coordinated. This ensures that attention is drawn naturally to the important areas, task detail is seen quickly and accurately, and the rooms are free from any sense of gloom or monotony. Number 2, the use of directional lights to assist in the perception of the task detail and achieve good modeling. Number 3, the control of direct and reflected glare from light sources to eliminate visual discomfort. Number 4, minimizing stroboscopic effects from fluorescent lamps and other discharge lamps. Number 5, ensuring the lighting has the required color rendering properties. Number 6, certifying that there is proper correlation between natural and artificial lighting throughout the building. This helps prevent excessive differences in illuminance between adjacent areas and thereby reduce the risk of accidents. And lastly, number 7, emergency lighting systems should be installed where necessary. Before you go, make sure to get your copy of the Ultimate Checklist for Interior Lighting Designers. This free checklist will help you craft stunning, well-planned designs that will meet your clients' needs. So make sure to click the link in the description and download your free copy today.